Vision: UIP 2030, a smart, globally competitive, and responsive state university. Mission: UIP is committed to producing globally competent and virtuous human resources, generating advanced knowledge, and developing innovative technologies for the sustainable development of society. Core values. Impetus. I stands for innovativeness, M for motivation, P for professionalism, E excellence, T transparency and accountability, U for unity and teamwork, and S for sustainability. Motto: Sapientia et virtus in posturum, meaning wisdom and virtue for the future. Goals: the program prepares students to be IT professionals, both local and global, contexts who are expected to be well-versed in application installation, operation, development, maintenance, and administration, as well as engage in lifelong learning endeavors which are capable of contributing in research, extension, and resource generation in the field of information system. Objectives. Number 1. The graduates will be competent professionals with an integrated understanding of computer systems, processes, and the main body of knowledge being in the field of information technology. They will be IT professionals engaged in careers such as solution specialists, organizational process analysts, system analysts, data analysts, and information technology developer. Number 2. Capable of engaging in professional growth, competent and technology-oriented, participating in lifelong learning activities relevant to the profession, which includes earning higher learning degrees or completing professional advanced trainings. And number 3, the graduates will be adaptive to the changing environment, be capable of exhibiting professionalism in working individually, a member or leader of a team, communicate effectively, and ensure social and ethical responsibilities in the community and their profession.
Dreams and visions within the minds of the nobles, a place to stay, a chance to live and grow. Men endowed with wisdom and honor, molded pride of society. We're singing victorious praises, Ilocos or Polytechnic State College, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Once realized, we'll close to every heart, with warm motherly embrace for all. Like a knight in shining armor, guiding star of searching soul. You're singing victorious praises, Ilocos or Polytechnic State College, a place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Your quest to provide us with enlightened minds, to grant us content in our endeavors, enabling each to share wherever we are towards greater heights. We go forth and serve God and fellow men, for reaching we will shine. We're singing victorious praises, Ilocos or Polytechnic State College, a place where you